Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the toString method in function. So what it does, it returns you a string of a representation of source code of the function. Now you're gonna say, what? Source code of the function? What you mean by that? That means you're gonna create a function and you can see inside what inside that. So let me say you example. So what we're gonna do is create a function. What the heck? Function, and name will be sum, and I'm gonna pass a comma b as an argument, and then I will return a plus b. And now the method I'm talking about, not let, you idiot, log. So what I'm gonna do is sum to string. Now it's gonna change into a string. Just call a function here and you can see what inside that. Awesome, right? Now you're gonna ask, hey, then I can see any kind of function. That means I can see what inside math.abs. Yeah, certainly you do. So math.abs dot to string. So you can see that. Now you're gonna ask, what, native code? Yeah, because you can't see the native code because it's created by a compilation. That's why, because it's a copyright. Yeah, you can see in their repos, open source, but not in the whole. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.